and what a treat it was. Alice ate some almonds, not even a pause. Aiden saw an armadillo scurrying through the park, and Anna watched an airplane soar until it was dark. The alphabet begins with A, hooray! Hooray! Hooray for A! Let's find the words that start with letter A, amazing letter A!
I'm giving you a complete guide to creating 2D-style AI animations for a kid's YouTube channel using the amazing Minimax video generator. We'll walk through the entire process, starting from finding a video idea that we know people will want to watch and then generate the best-looking images for our story. I'll show you how to animate the images using Minimax AI video generator, which in my opinion is the best 2D cartoon AI video generator that's out there. The first step for creating an AI video animation is coming up with a good idea. This is actually the most important part of the process because the video idea determines the ceiling on how well a video can perform. I'm going to animate a letter song for children. There are millions of YouTube videos featuring this niche. I think with iVideo, it's going to look more beautiful and engaging. It's always better to start with an inspiration. When it comes to animating kids' letter songs, I like making reference to this YouTube channel. To prove that making an AI animation of these sort is worthwhile, let's do a quick YouTube search, and we find all different sorts of animations of these category that get tons of views, ranging from hundreds of thousands to millions. I'm going to animate one of my favorite kids' letter song. Here's an example that did a crazy million views. If we take a look at the content of these videos, they are really well made, but it's nothing crazy. And I think that with all the AI tools available to us, we can create something that's just as engaging. Now that we have the idea down, let's make the script for the AI animation. I'm going to use ChatGPT to generate a poem about letter A. I will tell ChatGPT to create a funny and educational song about letter A. You can use any other chatbots. Here is the prompt. Create a funny and educational song about letter A. The song should be appealing to kids, using names of persons, animals, and things. The song should have 9 verses, including exciting choruses. You can create different prompts until you come up with the best. I'm going to tell ChatGPT to use the song and create a script, which I will use to generate the visuals. Here is an example prompt. Create a fun and engaging sequence for this song. Next, I'm going to copy the sequence generated by ChatGPT and paste it on Microsoft Word document. We'll be generating an AI image for each of these scenes and then animating them with an AI video generator. Since Minimax I2V-0 Live model works very well with cartoon illustrations, I'm going to use 2D cartoon-style images to animate into a video. To create the images, I use the Recraft AI image generator. The link is in the description below. I'm going to use the scene descriptions as my prompt to generate the images using Recraft AI. So, I have finished generating the images for each of the scene. Now it's time to use Minimax Video Generator to animate them. Log into Minimax using your Google account or a password. Minimax is pretty good at animating these 2D style cartoons. Minimax produces 5-second videos. I'm a free user, but for paid users it goes way up. I've finished generating all the videos, and now it's time to create the AI music. I'm using Mareka for this. It's really easy to use. They give out 4 free credits, which I think it's renewable on daily basis. On the left panel, click on Create then, enter the song title and the song I generated from ChatGPT and paste. From here, have many options to choose from, like reference, vocal, music style, and melody ideas. Free users are limited. Let's preview examples of what I generated. I use Camtasia Studio to edit the video. You can use CapCut to edit videos. It's free and simple to use. Just open a new project and import the videos and voices into CapCut. I like to organize the video clips into folders according to the scenes. For example, I have 9 scenes. It makes everything a bit cleaner. From there, just drag and drop all of our materials onto the timeline in the correct order. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, hit the subscription button, and ring the notification bell so as to be notified when next I upload another interesting video.
Admired an apricot and what a treat it was. Alice ate some almonds, not even a pause. Aiden saw an armadillo scurrying through the port, and Anna watched an airplane soar until it was dark. The alphabet begins with A, hooray! Hooray! Hooray for A! Let's find the words that start with letter A, amazing letter A. At the aquarium, Alex saw an angelfish swim around. Ava spotted an albatross high above the ground. Alec is an author, Aria reads a book she kitten, and Ashley's an adventurer, always ready to look. The alphabet begins with A, hooray! Hooray! Hooray for A! Let's find the words that start with letter A, amazing letter A. At the zoo, Ariana saw an 80 to dig. She told her class all about it, she was quite the dig. Adam counts his numbers and sings his ABCs. And Abby is an athlete, running with such ease. The alphabet begins with E, hooray! Hooray! Hooray for A!